Hi guys, welcome to Profit Builders Academy. My name is Jill Bender and I'm going to quickly introduce myself so you know who I am, where I'm coming from. A few years ago, I decided that I was sick of being broke. I lived paycheck to paycheck. Every single time I got paid, which was every 2 weeks, that check was gone immediately. It went to bills. All my friends and family were going on cool vacations. Yes, I did get to go on a couple of vacations, but I was swiping credit cards every time and then playing catch up for the rest of the year. It's not fun, and I have been living that life ever since I started working. I never knew how to manage my money, and I never really made enough money to be able to get ahead on anything. I was sick of it. So that was 2020. I joined a $7 program. Then I joined another $7 program. Then I took a paid ads course. I tried Amazon FBA, drop shipping, you name it. I've tried it, several affiliate marketing courses. After all those programs, figured it out. Digital marketing is where I finally was able to break free. If you're not new to me, then you know how amazing 2023 had been for me. Quit my 9-to-5 job. I do what I want, buy what I want, and if you know me, I like to buy a lot of things. But I bought a new car last year. I got the Bronco Wildtrak. It's awesome, and we just got a bunch of snow, and it's super fun. Took my son to Disneyland. We went on several vacations. I'm pretty sure we had a vacation every single month in 2023, including the end of 23 when I went to Dubai for almost an entire week. Dream come true, amazing adventure. This is all because one, I got started and decided to put my foot down so I could have a much better life for my son and I. If you're resonating with any of this, if this is your situation, or maybe if it's not, and you just truly want to start learning digital marketing, then this one is the easiest to get started with. You can set everything up in like 2 to 3 hours. I think I spent about 2 hours getting most of it all set up. Then you have to tweak some emails, simple stuff. They teach you step by step exactly how to do that inside. It is a very affordable program. I have been in very expensive ones. One including was $6,000. This one, only $297. Super, super affordable for pretty much anybody. And Profit Builders Academy, the one that you could get started with the quickest. You can get it right now and have all the tools you need. You can get through all the training depending on the time of day, and if you have availability, you could get through everything and get it all set up and running today. You could be, if you choose to promote it, you could be promoting it later today. Is that not incredible? Next up, I want to introduce you to Brady. Brady's going to explain to you how the program actually works, and then you can choose if you really want to go through with it or not. But I encourage you to because it's awesome. Thanks so much for your time.